Good. Low. Good. High. Excellent. Ball. Good boy. Okay, that's what you do sometimes during the game. You pass and then you stay. In futsal and in football, you've always got to move. Okay? So next time when you do it, you don't stop standing still. Okay? Just keep running. Excellent. Right foot. Quick, get there. Good boy. Again. Good. Don't finish left foot. Excellent. That's all. It doesn't matter. Get it close. It's good enough. Excellent work. Good boy. Well done.
Well, great to be back after a bit of a break. It's fantastic to see all the kids out again today. Earlier on, you would have noticed we were working on a lot of the conditioning to teaching their bodies different uses of the left and right hand side. We used agility sticks. They learned a little bit about footwork. Then, of course, with the balls and the stockings and the ones that were hanging up, about addressing the ball, striking the ball properly, and learning the proper technique. Then we pulled them aside, one a couple at a time. We worked on the 6-goal passing method, learning to use the left side and right side of the body. So they're learning to appreciate when the ball comes across their right side to use the left side of the foot, and vice versa when it comes from the left to use the right side. And that teaches them to be naturally in the right position to approach the ball. Also in that, using those 6 goals was also the technique of teaching the children not to stand still once they pass. A lot of times they've got a habit of, they've passed and they go, good. Whereas this exercise is to teach them to pass and continually moving, and that way it helps them to stay focused and maintain concentration on the game at all times. In the game they were playing later on, wow, lots of goals were scored, which was fantastic. Usually it's only 1 or 2, but we had 8 goals scored today, and that's simply a matter of the kids are learning and understanding, appreciating, looking for the space, and passing the ball to each other, which was fantastic. And again, big smiles on their faces. They were really, really happy and had a great time. So I really look forward to next week, and go the Mo. Ciao.